Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Kayum from Q's Basic Cooking. I'm hoping all of you are in good spirits and in good health. May God protect you from all harm. Today we are going to prepare chopped meat for kebabs. I'm going to marinate this meat. This is halal chopped meat. So I'm just going to marinate it and put it away. So this is the best chopped meat I could find for kebabs. This 79% of meat and the rest is fats. Sounds perfect to me. So let's open that up. I'm just going to cut it from the middle and squeeze it out because it's very firmly packed. All right, so yeah, a little bit from this side. I think it's easier to just push it out of the tube. It's very firm, you can see that, so it's gonna take me a while to push that out. Oh, I think you're looking at my arm. Not nice, but sorry, I'm still working on the camera angles. Okay, there it goes. Let's clear that up. It's gonna take a few minutes for me to break that apart because it's very firm. Looks good. Alrighty, I'll be right back. Okay, so the plan today is to load this keema, this chopped meat, up with onions and garlic and all the good spices that I can find. But the basics one, I'm not going to go over the board with the spicy, hot spiciness, no. So 3 medium-sized onions, 10 to 12 chili peppers, and 1 whole garlic. So this is small, medium-sized garlic, desi garlic. It's not that big, but it's very good. If you ask me a year ago to add garlic that much to my keema, I will not do it. So thanks to coronavirus, I'm always thinking about, let me put onions, let me put garlic, let me put all the spices that can fight the virus and help us boost up our immune system. So there you go. This is what I made after grinding all that good stuff. Goes right into the keema, into the chopped meat. It's plenty, so I just want the meat and the onion and garlic and peppers to become one, so I'm going to work on it. There you go. And this smells so good. If you were in this kitchen right now, you can smell the amazing aroma coming out of the garlic, onion, cilantro, and green chilies. Okay, so I have 2 teaspoons of each. 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons chili pepper, 2 teaspoons black pepper, 2 teaspoons cumin, 2 teaspoons coriander, crushed coriander, 2 teaspoons methi, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. All that goes in. There you go. When I say loaded, I mean it. See that? Okay, kebab masala, 2 teaspoons. This was one full tablespoon. So there you go. Mix it. Make sure you put your gloves on because those fat particles in the keema are going to cling to your hands, and that's not very pleasant. Always make sure you have your gloves on. Okay, that's the best I could do. This meat is going to marinate now, and it's going to sit here. Let the meat absorb all the spices and all the ingredients that I put in there. You can make muti kebabs. Muti is the fist, so you just make a muti shape kebabs. That's the easiest one, but that needs deep frying, so I'm not going to do it. I'm heating up my non-stick pan. You are seeing that a lot in my cooking lately because I'm diabetic and I don't want to take too much chances with my health. So I'm trying to cut down on everything. So those chapli kebabs I'm making are low fat. Because there's fat in it and I'm working on bringing it out. You see the pan is heated up and it's coated very lightly with grease. I'm going to make it as thin as possible. And I'm just going to punch a few holes in it. Just like that. I'm working on bringing all the fats out of my kebab. So this will be low fat chapli kebabs. You see, it's good. It's good. You don't need to deep fry your chapli kebabs. You don't need to deep fry your chapli kebabs. These are going to be just as good as the one you see that are deep fried. Maybe they are more, I don't know. I don't know. I don't see any difference. Alrighty. So a little punchy here. A little punchy there. Push it aside. Push it aside. In few minutes you will start to see all the fats coming out of my chapli. So that is what I want. I want a flavorful kebab cooked in the fats, but I don't want those extra fats, So there you go. I think 3 are pretty good in here, or can we fit one more in there? We'll see. Same thing, punchy, a little punch here and a little punch there. Okay, push it aside. Yeah, it's shrinking. It's shrinking. It's making a good color. That's all that I need. All the flavors are in there. Red onions, good in coronavirus time. Garlic, very good. Not only it's antibacterial, it also has a lot of other qualities that we need right now. And cilantro is very good. And all the spices I added in there are very good and beneficial. So those kebabs smells amazing, and they are loaded with good stuff. There, you see what I was talking about? All the oil start to come out. Okay, so we did not add any grease to it, and whatever was in there is going to come out. So that's the whole plan. Low fat chapli kebab are ready. My plate is ready to receive it. There you go. For diabetics, that's how I'm going to serve it. For me and my husband, probably my son will take some rice with it, but for me and him, 3 kebabs, tomatoes, onion, and yogurt on the side, and we are good to go. What else do you need? See how good that is? Alrighty, and how easy it was. Don't forget to subscribe. Please share it with your family and friends, and that will give me a chance to keep coming back to you with new little recipes, low fat recipes, diabetic recipes, healthy diabetic friendly recipes. Thank you for watching. And this plate is for my husband. So I made it like nice and clean, looking good. But I'm gonna make my plate that's kind of rough. I threw in tomatoes, more onions, raita, green meat, and I have my 3 kebabs, and I'm all set. I don't need bread, chawal, naan, anything with it. What do you think? Please let me know. If you like my ideas, subscribe, share, stay safe, take all the safety precautions. I'm praying for all of you. Keep me in your prayers, and I'll see you soon, inshallah. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Khuda Hafiz.